Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Roblox. Should you buy? Should you sell? I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And guys, this stock over the past day has gone up 42%, which is crazy. And the craziest part is I literally just posted a video about this stock not even 3 days ago. So make sure you guys go check that out and watch this one too. If you guys get anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And at the end of the day, it really helps me out when you guys do that. So starting off, what is Roblox? Well, Roblox is virtually an online game, an online platform that really allows users to play programmable games. The company was started in 2006 and has been growing ever since. It draws in millions of users, and just recently they did release their IPO, really allowing the public to invest into Roblox and help grow the business. And you can see it absolutely took off. The stock went from about $60 all the way up to $100, right, in the matter of about 4 months. Now, at the time, everybody was like, man, this thing's going to 200, 220. Stock sold off, did find some heavy support near and around that 200 moving average line. It hit it several times, sold off down below it to that $70 mark, and then curled back up, used that 200 moving average line again as support, hit it, and then this move happened, right? This 42% move. So what's going on? Why is this stock going up so much so fast? You can see pre-market and after hours one day, this thing just literally took off, right? It went up after hours from 75 all the way up here to $102, and then really just continue to grow during the market today and was up about 43%. So what's going on? What's going on with this stock? Well, if we actually look at it, you can see right in here, this little blue light bulb virtually represents a earnings report. So this is virtually when a company says, hey, all right, you guys have a chance to look at all of our revenue, our fundamentals, where we put our money, some stuff we need to work on, some stuff that we're doing well on. So the company came out, and we'll actually look at it together here. And you can see they did blow they beat their expectation on the revenue, causing this stock to go virtually parabolic. Not to mention that same day, the CFO comes out and says, hey, you know, there's so much talk of the metaverse. Do you guys realize that Roblox has been virtually creating a metaverse for years now? So now all these people that are looking at the metaverse and trying to invest in it, they're like, wait, what's going on with Roblox? What's going on with them? Looking into it, realizing, oh my gosh, this company is probably one of the top contenders in the metaverse sector, causing them to buy more, which virtually just makes this thing go up even more. But look at this. The revenue year over year is up 126%, bringing in about $454.1 million. Now, one thing that this company lacked, that Roblox lacked, was net profit margin. The company was not profitable. And at the end of the day, if you're not making money, then you know, people are going to want to get out. But starting off, it's super common to see these smaller companies not become profitable for years. But they came out and said, hey, do you guys realize we actually became 13.5% profitable this past quarter, which is that's fantastic. So another amazing thing when you guys evaluate a stock is cash on hand, right? If a company ever goes through a tough time, you need cash. Cash at the end of the day with the company is king because they can use it to either invest in the business, keep the company afloat, you know, continue to grow. And Roblox increased their cash on hand 186% year over year, which is, you know, that's quite a bit. And you can see the clear difference. You know, they only had 1.6. They were about, you know, just not doing well. But the past quarter, they absolutely took off. The cost of revenue went up. So everything about the stock on the fundamental side is becoming really, really awesome. Now, is it worth it having it go up 42%? Now, I do think that yes, the stock is one of the top metaverse and one of the top growth stocks out there to at least keep an eye on. But should you buy it right now? That is the biggest question. Well, it's honestly super hard to tell if a stock is overvalued, undervalued, but we do have some indicators that definitely help persuade your decision. So starting off is this. This is the RSI. This represents the relative strength index. So virtually any time a stock becomes red over here, we have a tendency to see sell-off shortly after that. So you can see it comes up right in here and we have sell-off shortly after. And then when the stock is virtually underneath a 40 or a 30 on the RSI, just because it's a growth stock, this is when we have a tendency to see a lot of support stepping in and a lot more buying pressure. So you can see in here, we got buying pressure in here where it dipped down, and then it started to curl back up, curl down, and then we had that earnings, which virtually made it pop up even more. So not to mention, guys, this stock historically, anytime it really releases earnings, we have this huge pop, right? The past couple, we've had this huge pop, continue to rally and sell off. Okay, right here, huge pop, sold off. So you can see, yes, I do think we'll probably see a little bit of some sell off, because anytime virtually a stock goes up 42%, we have a tendency to see about a 5 to 6% sell off and kind of consolidate and, have the stock just kind of calm down. So should you buy it? Right? I think you should, but I think you should do it with a strategy. So for me, dollar cost averaging works extremely well because I don't have to worry about if it's overvalued, undervalued, or if I even should buy it. Virtually what I do is I set a certain dollar amount. I say, okay, I'm going to invest $2,000 into Roblox. So what I do is instead of putting up that $2,000 all up front, and have it be overvalued and have that stock sell off, what I do is I'll virtually invest $100 a week over the next 20 weeks. So what that does is I get a good average price for my shares over that time period. So whether the stock continues to rally up, you're going to be making money because you already have shares. And if the stock sells off, just like it's done in here, what you do is you just average in your shares. So now your average cost is becoming cheaper, and cheaper. And then when the stock recovers, you make a lot more money. It's a beautiful way to invest in growth stocks and something that I always highly recommend. So what's going on with Roblox is they virtually released a solid earnings report. The CFO came out and said, hey, we've been working on the metaverse for years and everybody's just been buying it ever since. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys got anything in value, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.